Hello from the Kronasar Hotel, where we're here for one night. We spent one night previously at the Bell Rock and now we've come to the Kronasar Hotel. Similar in terms of price, but this is the museum themed hotel. It's called the Museum Hotel and everything looks kind of like an artifact and it's interactive as well. So let's go check out the Kronasar Hotel. First thing you notice from the outside, you can see there's all those little cases there. Looks kind of like it's from an Indiana Jones film or something with all those sticks and the boxes in there. And let's go through into the main reception and have a look what's in there. So you're greeted with all these artifacts in here. So it really does look like you're entering the Natural History Museum there with all the little animals and the shark mouths and all sorts of stuff.
Is that?
And that is it, yeah. So we won't ruin it. We've got some more stuff on this side to have a look at. Also hats and memorabilia there, and it just looks really, really cool, like you are just going into the Natural History Museum. That's right, so that is a ride. There's a ride that features the Atlantic Snorri, and Eden really liked it. So we went into this reception here. First thing you're greeted by is the giant head there of that creature. So, and it spirals all the way up to the top level. We'll get to that in a minute. So looking into it, it feels like you're in a really plush living room there with the antlers, and it just looks really, really cool. There's a guest services there to greet you when you come in, and there's the main check-in and check-out desks over there, which also look really well themed and nice to look at also. As you can see down here, there is also an interactive table here of Rulantica. Just as you pan up there, you can see that animal up there, which just spirals all the way up to the top of the hotel, and it looks like it's night time. There's also a screen on the roof there as well, and it looks really, really cool. So as you come up to this here, there's a little pad here, and you can touch and you can interact with it, because before we came past, all various different things were actually lit up on this. I'm not sure how you get to do it, but let's have a look at this pad here, see if we can get it to do it. Doesn't appear to be working now, which is a shame, because when we came past before, it was all lit up, this, and there's different things light up in different colours, and it looks really, really impressive. So as you can see, looking over at the lifts there, it looks kind of like reminiscent of Hollywood Tower there, over at Disney. The lifts themselves aren't actually themed, but the outside of them looks fantastic. That's like this, just really just feel like you're in the museum here. There's all more artefacts that are here. And you can see here, there's more like little pipes down there that they might have used in years gone by. And yeah, it's just really, really interesting little bits of artefacts. Even down to the little cabinet that's in there, just looks quite cool as well. There's this bicycle which doubles up as a table here as well. So there's a little bike, and there's looks like it's plonks a bit of wood on the top of it, so it's a lot more intricate than that, but it just looks really, really cool, and it all fits in with the theming as well. It's like above the cash machine there, and there's like bird cages and old-fashioned looking bits of things as well, which is really, really good. So we can walk down here, so there's nobody down here now, so we'll have a look what's down here. And it just looks really, really nice. Yeah, it's all really impressive. It's such a nice. I just like how there's looks like you're in an old library or something like that. Eden's having a look at the big globe there as well. Don't do that. Yeah, we'll cut that out. Don't worry about it. And there's a nice big comfy chair there, so you can look like you're Morpheus from the Matrix. Looks really comfy, that one. Is it comfy? Yeah. And the books are actually actual books as well, and you can take them out. That's really interesting. That's really cool. Oh, that's good, isn't it? How fun is that? And then down here we've got another old-looking book that's here as well, which is really cool. It just looks the part. Really feel like I'm in part of a museum. Does it feel like you're in the museum?
Yeah.
Feel like you're on Andy's Dinosaur Adventure? And then, of course, there's a picture here. It's got a picture of the Mac family there, which is great to see, because they do such a fantastic job. You make yourself home. And these look like really comfy. Are they comfy? Yeah. Nice comfy chairs. So this is just as you come in there, straight through the main entrance. There's plenty of seating that's down here. And there's a really interesting looking clock there as well, which is really, really cool. So we're going to head up to our room now, and yeah, we'll show you what's up there. So we're just going up these stairs here. We're not going up the lift this time. The lifts themselves aren't actually themed, it's just a normal lift. They look the part from the outside. So we're just going to go up these stairs, and I'll show you everything from up here. But it looks so impressive, it really, really does. And I love seeing all the giant sea creature up there. And the screens on the top really makes it feel like it's night time, because we're spending the night in the museum with all these different artefacts from up there, which looks really cool as well. See, that's the restaurant. We're going to be going for lunch, for breakfast shortly. I like the prams that are all old-fashioned pans. They look quite bulky in there. Maybe that isn't one for breakfast because they've all shut up now, so it must be a different one that must be the evening bar. All with the Rulantica logo, because this really is the Rulantica Hotel because it's next door. It doesn't have its own... oh, hello. Open that big door. Yeah, we'll not go that way. We'll not go that way. We'll go a different way. Yeah, it doesn't have its own entrance to Europa Park itself. We've got to catch a bus, so we're going to drive down and we'll park up there, because it is only €10 to park here, so it's not too bad. It's not like the Disney way or Six Flags where you're paying $40, $45 to park. So we're just going to make our way down now. So we are in room 8160. I do like how the rooms that look like artifacts as well, which is really cool. I do like these big silent doors that they have everywhere. They really do seem to block the noise out. It's the next one. So that is us, 8160. So you're given our Kronasar key here. So just put that in and then pull the door handle. And this is our room. So here we are in our museum room here. Eden's showing off a line that she's got from McDonald's there. This is the Hotel Kronasar, and of course, look at the beds, which look like they're actual artifacts. They do look a bit like Harry Potter, don't they? In fact, they've even got a Bell Rock sticker on it, which is quite cool. Suitcases. Yeah, they are suitcases, but they look like cases that artifacts have been transported in, which is quite cool, isn't it? So that is, yeah, they look really good. So that's the bunk beds for the kids, and I like all the stickers that they've got. Little
we just went on this ride.
Europa Park stickers on there. It's got all the other hotels. It's got Colosseo there as well, which is really cool. So, and let's have a quick look in the bathroom before we head down there. So in here we've got a really nice shower. You can see that there's like white tiles there, which look really nice and fresh. And it seems to be a bit more roomy than the Bell Rock. We still have the bizarre window here, of course, but it's a little bit less intrusive here because there is actually the shower on that side this time, and you do of course have blinds up there as well, so you can actually get a bit of privacy. Eden's being cheeky there and saying hello. So it's a really nice single sink here, but you've got the makeup mirror and all that sort of stuff as well, and your normal vanity mirror as well, with a hairdryer and a couple of glasses as well. Well, I'll say a couple, there's 4 glasses there, plus your usual cosmetics here. So what have we got here? Is that a shower hygiene set in there? It's quite cool, and there's late aroma, should I say, in there. Usual array of towels and stuff. It wastes no time to getting the shoes off in here. And I do like because there's the little luggage case stand is also a luggage case, which looks really good. Some of the pictures in here are made to look really old as well. So there's a picture of a Native American there, and I love everything how it looks like all library books and all stuff like the Encyclopedia Britannica that's all in there, all stacked up. I'm not sure if they're actually books or whether they're just designed. Yeah, it's just designed to look like that. And there's a mermaid on the top hiding away there. And Robin's there taking a position on the chair. She's going to be asleep in 5 minutes' time. We're all knackered. And I do like this unit because the TV is kind of hidden into the actual unit itself. Not we're going to be watching any of that, of course, with that tied. And it looks like a proper bureau desk as well with all the labels on it. Which is really cool, isn't it?
I like it, how that looks on that side.
So from this side, where we were in the shower just a few moments ago, you can see it looks like a proper bookcase with a little window through there. But there is blinds on this one. So yeah, as you can see at the top there is blinds. And there's a little lighting bit at the top there as well to light up your bookcase, which looks so good. And then there's a map of Rulantica up there as well, which is absolutely amazing. And you can see I love the old-fashioned wallpaper. And this again, it's 2 beds I think put together. So there shouldn't be much disturbance from you on there as well. So we need to set this up now. Eden's getting upset, so we're going to have a tour around the rest of the hotel. That's our view from here. Let's have a look around the rest of the hotel. So we're heading down to breakfast. As you can see, look at all these artifacts that are here. Looks really, really cool. Love seeing all this stuff down here. That's ace. All these stuff from explorers of years gone by. So there is a Kronasar shop that you can see there. It's got all the merch for the park. Within there, looks like it's mainly Rulantica stuff because that's the affiliated hotel for this. Sorry, affiliated park for this hotel. As we approach the restaurant, so looking forward to checking this out. Look at all this as well. Roland Mack there, of course one of the founders. Oh, I've got some more artefacts here. Looks really, really cool. I love all this. Bubba Sven's, it's called. Not Bubba Gump, Bubba Sven. So yeah, looks like it. Hopefully it won't be as busy as what it was in the other one, but to be fair, we didn't have to queue and everything. This looks amazing. I love all this stuff here. Really cool. There's a little bit of a play area as well, which is good to see. So here's our breakfast. We've just got the buffet selection. Went up originally, I just got a load of pastries because I didn't actually see where the hot food was, because you see that all the pastries are over that way, but all the hot food is over that way on the other side of that kind of partition. So we didn't see it. So silly me. Never mind. Yeah, we're gonna go. Is yours all right, Casper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The chair is sticky.
The chair's sticky. Well, that's your review. Thank you very much. Let's get this stuff eaten. Oh, that's cute, isn't it? It really does kind of remind us. Robin just mentioned it looks reminiscent of Atlantis with some of the cabinets and features that they've got here in Bahamas. Yeah, not Dubai, but it really does look the part, though. I have to say. And that was a nice breakfast as well. Did you eat much of it then? Yeah, that's the thing, isn't it? And there's another restaurant there as well. It's one that you have to pay for. A little bit of theme in here. Looks like the picture man's been hard at work here. I'm just going to head outside now to have a look at the terraces out here to see what it looks like outside. Looks like during the summertime there is actually a bit of an awning there, and everybody can sit out and have the breakfast out here. That's quite nice. I like the little crane that's moving there, a little bit of theming, and it's moving a barrel from one side to the other, and it looks really, really cool. You see that barrel over there, the crane moving it? It's really cool, isn't it? And that's Rulantica, which is just opposite there. So there is a walkway which runs from this hotel here. So there's Hotel Kronasar bar, which is there. And then, so there's a walkway, it runs all the way across to Rulantica, which you can see there. We're actually going to Rulantica. We did have a plan to go there today, actually. But what we kind of switched our plans because we haven't been to Europa before, and because there is so much to do, we thought we can come back to it at Rulantica, because from what I've seen is that all the queues were sort of 40-50 minutes for a slide. So it's one that we want to do in the future, but just not on this trip. But it certainly looks like a great place to visit, and I do like they've obviously got fountains and nice lighting down here as well, and it really, really does look the part. It looks fantastic. And the theme, look at those buildings there. Just looks really old, like an old-fashioned kind of tenement-style building, really. It's just absolutely beautiful. It really is. So down here is the spa and wellness area. It's a lovely little waterfall which makes you feel nice as well. Lovely soothing waterfall. These pictures are ace that are dotted around. Really gives that feel of a kind of Scandinavian fishing village, and it really does. I mean, in fact, if you look at all flags, that's kind of the look they're obviously going for, and with the Norwegian, Sweden, Finland flags that are all down here. And yeah, it's absolutely amazing. I absolutely love this hotel. The theming is really, really good, and it looks quite premium and high end as well. And it's certainly something that I think the hotels in the UK theme parks could learn a thing or two from. And it's just really, really beautifully finished, as you'd expect from Europa Park. So we've finally seen the lights coming on, which is really, really cool. So this is what it was doing before, and we couldn't get it to do it somehow, but I think the iPad had gone off that controls it. So you can use that pad down here, which the kids are operating here, and there's various different things that you can get to light up. You can see there's all different things that light up within the actual picture around Rulantica, which is really, really cool. It's really, really beautiful. It's so nice, and then I think gradually it all just lights up bit by bit. So that's the end of the video here at Kronasar Hotel. Hopefully you've... She's getting in on the act. At Kronasar Hotel. It's an absolutely beautiful hotel. It's absolutely wonderful. Have you enjoyed staying here, Eden? Have you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Casper, have you enjoyed it?
I really like it, and you sleep in a suitcase.
Oh, it's fantastic. It's really good, isn't it? Sleeping in the suitcase over there. We'll not ask Robin's opinion, she's otherwise engaged. So that's the end of the video here. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe as well. So until the next one, we're heading for a day in Europa Park, so we'll see you in the next one. Let the positivity in and ride it out. Bye.